Hi guys, this is a video where I'm going to be making Doritos or Kit Kat. I'm gonna do Kit Kat, okay? Because I'm not really sure about Camila's or that. So we're gonna do this right now. And by the way, I just stopped recording my last video, so that's why it's literally the exact same background and the exact same clothes. So I'm not dirty, okay? It's just the same day, okay? So anyway, we are going to be doing Kit Kat bar, but I still need to look for a picture of the Kit Kat bar for my inspiration. So guys, this is the Kit Kat bar I've decided to do. So time to draw it. So I'm just gonna put my iPad there in my finger. And maybe I should put it on camera. You can't really see me doing it. Can you do that? You know what? I'm just gonna skip this part. That's better, right? You won't be able to see my face, but you will be able to see my thing. Yeah. I finished those. So this is the product. Yeah. That took me like 2 minutes. I think. Yeah. 2 minutes, guys. 2 minutes. And time for the coloring part. But I'm not showing that on camera because, oh my goodness, no. So when I did the Skittles, my red ran out. I think I might have some left, but the rest like are gone. I'm not even joking. Oh yeah, I don't know if I can do this yet. I broke it again. Are you serious? I'm not touching this ever again. Let's keep breaking. Like I just broke it like 2 times in the last video. Anyway, time to color. So this is what it looks like, and this is what it will look like after I speed this up. What's your butt? didn't. I just finished the red. Come to the ground. Now I'm finished. Time to lemonade. Hi guys, my phone died and I charged it, so I basically finished, but I just have to put the cotton in, so might as well do it on camera because y'all missed like basically everything.
A few moments later.
Guys, I did it now. It's not that slow rise, but it's okay. This one's better, but it's okay. Because this is for JC anyway. So yeah, these are the two I made. If you didn't watch Mosquitoes one, you should watch it. Guys, I'm probably not going to do a Doritos today. I'm very sorry, but you might have been looking forward to it, but I'm not anymore because I ran out of cake. This is more cake, but there's barely any in here. So I don't know if we'll be able to, but we will try later. So thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in my Doritos video. Bye!